Good morning, and welcome to our Friday Assembly. We would like to recognize and acknowledge the Saltness and Esquimalt nations on whose traditional lands we live, work, play, and learn. Please stand for O Canada and the school song. Now cover your ears because it's time for Friday Morning Online.
1 by Kathryn Otoshi. Blue was a quiet color. He enjoyed looking up at the sky, floating on the waves, and on days he felt daring, splashing in rain puddles. Every once in a while, he wished he could be more sunny like yellow, or bright like green, more regal like purple, or outgoing like orange. But overall, he liked being blue, except when he was with Red. Red was a hothead. He liked to pick on Blue. Red is a great color, he'd say. Red is hot, blue is not. Then Blue would feel bad about being blue. Sometimes yellow comforted Blue. Blue is a very nice color, she'd say. But yellow never said that in front of Red. She never said, "Stop picking on Blue." Green, purple, and orange thought Blue was nice too, but they never told Red to stop either. Every time Red said something mean and no one spoke up, he got bigger and bigger and bigger. Soon Red grew so big that everyone was afraid of him. No one dared stop him. Red picked on all the other colors. Then everyone felt a little blue. Until one came. He had a different shape with bold strokes and squared corners. He was funny. He made the colors laugh. Red saw this and got very hot. "Stop laughing," he told yellow. "Stop laughing," he told green. "Stop laughing," he told purple and orange. And they did. Red rolled up to one. "Stop laughing," he told him. But one stood up straight like an arrow and said, "No." Red was mad, but one wouldn't budge. So Red rolled away. One turned to the colors and said, "If someone is mean and picks on me, I, for one, stand up and say no." Then yellow felt brave and said, "Me too." Green agreed and said, "Me three." Then purple became 4 and orange became 5. Blue saw the colors change. He wanted to count. Red grew hot. He felt left out. He grew hotter and hotter and hotter. Red raced over to Blue and said what he always did. "Red is hot, blue is not." But this time Blue stood up tall and became 6. "Red can be really hot," he said, "but blue can be super cool." Red blew a fuse and tried to roll over Blue. But everyone took a stand and said no. Seeing them standing tall made Red feel very, very, very small. Then Red turned even redder and began rolling away. Blue called out, "Can Red be hot and Blue be cool?" Red stopped in his tracks. "Red can count too," said one. Red rocked back and forth and turned into 7. "Everyone counts," they shouted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then Red laughed and joined the fun. Sometimes it takes just one. The reason I read this story to you today is because sometimes one person can make a difference, but when we all decide to do something good, we are much stronger together. And that's our motto for the year, as you know. we are stronger together. So if someone is being unkind, it's important that we all look out and take care of each other. Thanks for listening.
Mr. Bowers, do you have any announcements?
Before you cross the road, you have to stop, look, and listen, then come across. Corner or D, and when you get to the crosswalk, it's your responsibility to push the button. So we see, after you push the button and I come out, then you come over. Good job.
Thank you, Miss Johnson.
You're welcome.
And the same goes for the after-school crosswalk. Wait until I go out and then you may cross.
So fun.
Hey, monkey! Do you want to come for a play date, monkey?
Hi, Mr. Bowers. It's so nice to see you, but we can't have play dates.
Oh.
Dr. Bonnie Henry said no play dates till after at least December 7th. We want to keep everybody safe, so I'm sorry, no play dates.
Totally forgot about that.
That's okay, but we'll stay home. We'll wear our mask. And are you washing your hands all the time, Mr. Bowers?
Every day, every time I need to go
How long do you wash your hands?
It's that birthday song again, Mrs.
Oh,
Bigelow,
we love
Mr.
the
Monkey.
birthday song. Yay! It feels like it's my birthday every day. Thanks, Mr. Bowers. I'll look forward to playing with you when we're allowed to again.
I'll be so excited.
Me too.
Okay.
Yay! Thanks, everybody. Remember, no play dates, and stay safe, and wear your mask when you're out with your mom and dad, and wash your hands and wash them again. Goodbye.
Thank you, and have a fantastic weekend, everyone.